this session, I would like to tell you about HTML5 elements. Here you can see when we are creating any kind of website, first we have to know about which kind of website we are doing by using HTML and CSS, all those things. For that, what we need to do is we have to observe that layout. So we want to create one website now. So how it seems to be? What is the preview of that website? Without having that website, we can't say preview it because we have to implement that website. We have to design that website. For that, we have to make some structure in HTML. So for every website, there is a wireframe. It couldn't have any colors, images, but it seems to be a basic structure of website. That is called as a wireframe. It seems to be like this. This is only the wireframe. Here you can see. So here you can see this is wireframe having some elements. Element in the sense you can see whatever we are using here in this HTML, the tags is called as an element. And so here is some elements is there. We have to put these layout in different kinds of by using different kinds of elements. Here you can see there is a header is there, slider is there, 2 paragraph section is there, 3 boxes section is there, and footer also be there. So if you want to create this kind of website, first you need to create basic structure with the help of HTML tags. So here you can see this is the HTML5 tags and having some header is there, as well as for every website you can see every layout you can see header is a common concept to every website. Here you can see there is a footer is there. For every website you can see there is a footer is there, and in between there is some sections is there. Either it may be a slider or it may be 2 paragraph section, 3 boxes section is there. So we have to use different kinds of these tags. With the help of these tags also we can create and we can make a basic structure there in that HTML. So here you can see what I will do is I will show you HTML4 tag. So there is no HTML5. Okay, then how did they created this layout with the help of HTML4? Because they created this kind of layout with the help of only division tag. Here you can see there is a division is there. With the help of division tag only they did we can create this kind of layout with the help of class attributes. So here you can see we have to use class equal to, here you can see we have to define a header, HEADER, as well as here you can see there is a division class is there. So I need some slider, so I will assign some class attribute as a slider, and this is a division having about a slider. Instead of this, here you can see for every section whatever this wireframe had, for every section we have to use divisions. Div class is equal to header, div class is equal to slider, div class is equal to 2 boxes, 3 paragraphs, like that. But here in this HTML file you can see header, navigation sections are there. If you want to assign any kind of CSS to these HTML tags, what we have to do is we have to assign the code, CSS code, to these class attributes only. And if you want to assign some CSS to these header tags, then you have to assign some CSS to these tags only. Even we can divide these header or sections like this also. Class equal to some SEC slider, SLIDER. So it will carry, this section tag will carry some slider part, slider area. So this is also one of the method can able to assign CSS to this HTML5 elements. Even we can integrate, we can use divisions in between sections also. I will show you in real time experience. So I will go with VS Code to show the two values, and here I will create one HTML 5 tags .html format only. So I will open this HTML starter template. You can see it is HTML starter template. So here you can see There is a skeleton framework is there. We had some layout is there. This is called as a wireframe. Here you can see. So we have to create some tags to generate this kind of output. To create some tags for tags, what we need to do is we have to use a header. Here you can see VS Code will help us. There in that header it had some navigation. So I will assign some navigation. Here I will take home and about services services is there. Contact also be there. So what happening is this is header section. Here you can see we had that header section is there. And meanwhile, if you want to assign any CSS, we have to assign CSS to this header also, or else you can divide this header, or you can assign this header as class attribute main header. Subheader also sometimes some layout may have some sub menu also be there, subheader also be there. So we can divide this one like this also. As well as here you can see I will assign slider like this one. So I will go with a section. So this is a section tag, and I will divide this section as slider. So here we can assign class is equal to slider. So this is slider section, and after that here you can see there is two paragraphs is there. Means this is two paragraphs, this is slider. We created slider section with the help of HTML5 tag, section tag with the help of a section tag. And even we have to assign two paragraphs. So for that even we can use this division also. Here you can see for this division what I will do is so class I will assign class attribute as may paras PRAS. So this division is a parent having child, in the sense first paragraph is a child, second paragraph is a child. For that what I will do is I will assign so here you can say I will go with the division class is equal to first para. So here we can assign first paragraph, as well as I will go with class is equal to second para. So this is a second para. So here you can see this is first para, second para. We assigned some divisions. This is also one kind of method we can assign this kind of divisions to implement our layout. As well as here you can see even we can assign some sections. So section tag is there. What I will do is for these three boxes I will use this section. There in that I will use article. So article tag is there, means each and every article is one box. So I will assign this article second box, and as well as I will use article as a third box. Here you can see these are the articles. So whatever we assigned here in this class we are talking about, those are having HTML5 tags only. So these tags couldn't have any kind of property. After assigning these values, you can see the preview. I will open this one in live server. You can see it seems to be like this. There you couldn't see any kind of preview, because remember this HTML tags couldn't have any kind of division, or HTML5 tags couldn't have any values. If you assigned any kind of value, means if you want to assign header to, so here you can see I will assign here in this in between section I will go with h2 header, save this one. Now you can see this header had some values. Font size having 14px, and font family is Times New Roman font is there, but this is the default font, default 12px font size is there, because whatever HTML5 tags you may assign doesn't have any kind of font size, bold, italic, underline, colors, because these tags will make some structure of this layout only. We have to assign some CSS to these tags only. So these are all are the tags having here in this HTML, and these are all the tags are very most important to execute any kind of website. So there are so many tags also be there. So these are the one of the most important tags has to use in every website. Thank you.